All right, everyone, welcome back. Change of plans. I was gonna tear down this ceiling next, but that's gonna make a terrible mess in that room all over all my stuff. So I figured I will start with the storage wall. So this whole wall is gonna be shelving, and then I'll take all my stuff, put it on the shelves, then I have free range to work in that room. So I've already marked out where I want things. So I'll bring you over here and you can see it. Okay, so I'm going to start by framing this in, then I'll put a couple cross pieces in to support my framing here. My wall will come up to here, and it will have several shelves on the inside, and then there'll be a couple more shelves on this side. Yeah, I'll start with this corner, move over here. I'll put a couple supports in here, box in the bottom. I've already checked this stud with my laser and it's actually pretty straight. So I'm going to reference off of that to help build my bottom. There's going to be a big square shelf laying right on the concrete. Yeah, let's get started. Uh, 81 and a half. $81 and a half. Okay, so that made a lot more dust down here than I thought was going to happen. So what I'm going to do is duct tape my shot back to the port on the back of the vacuum, or on the back of the saw. Oh, I don't even have to. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. Okay, I made that a little heavy. That's okay. Because I forgot I wanted to add another piece up in here. That's all right. There we are. All right, so I'm going to mark out my shelves at the top. I'm not going to build the shelves yet, but I would like some measurements. So my boards are 3/4 thick and my shelves are 8. So we'll do 8 inches plus another board. Let's see. Another 8 inches plus another board plus my support board. Those are where my shelves are going to live. Before I go any further, I need to get rid of some carpet. I'm just going to do a rough cut across the center for now. Okay, now that I've got some room to work, let's find out how high I need to be here. So I'm gonna go 38.5. Perfect. And in the little at the bottom. But this side's perfect, so I'll put a screw over here to hold it. And throw another at the bottom. Too much. Right there. There we go. That's the beginning of our storage wall. Now something else we gotta do. Gotta put our tap cons down into the concrete. I'll pre-drill these guys. How about aren't quite long enough, so I'm going to drill a little bit into the wood so I can sit the heads down in there. Okay. There. Okay, so I just thought I would give it a check with the level, and turns out the floor isn't level. This side is down about 1/4 of an inch. So I'm going to stick some shims underneath it, hopefully bring it up. There. That is perfectly level. Good.